All right, now we're going to showcase another really exciting and frankly very practical AI micro workflow from OrbAid. And it's called Convert File to Project. There's really a number of really, like I said, practical use cases for this. Two of them I really like are, say, a lean or continuous improvement project that maybe did a month ago or a short while back that uh, reduced scrap, tack time cost, and clearly had some type of green benefit, whether it's energy, water, emissions, but you didn't calculate that. You want to capture that value add. Simply upload that A3 or whatever format you have, PDF, Word, Excel, and it'll calculate the impact based on the project template. So it'll calculate all that so you can get credit for it. Another one that I like is when you install, say, a new piece of equipment like a HVAC unit, and you've got the old unit baseline performance and fuel usage, and the future more efficient data points, and typically you get that from the um, installer. You can upload that document and calculate that impact of that project so you can get credit for those capital improvements. So what we'll do first is we'll go to the home screen here, this green message box, click the file, convert file to project, and then this project upload screen pops up. We've got a couple different projects here. So we'll click on this PDF. It's a really large PDF. It's about 19 pages. Here is click Run. It'll pull in all those 19 pages and calculate the impact and convert everything into a project. It takes about a second. So it's all set. So you see optimize power monitoring. So all I have to do is click this hyperlink. We get to preview the project here. So you can see eco structure from Schneider Electric, description, title, all the calculations that we need in here. And then in many cases, calculating ROI payback period and a number of things such as emissions, energy, etc. And so if we like that, all we have to do is hit Save Project, and it kicks it to the next stage in the simple three-step workflow, the Save bucket. From there, you can assign it to a team member or assign a budget to it. And then from there, it goes to the final step in the simple workflow, the Active Projects tab, where you can ultimately drive those results forward. Hope this gives you a nice preview of how AI micro workflows could help you save an exponential amount of time.